Okay, so let's evaluate the limit. As x approaches -1 of this fraction, can I plug in the -1 right away? No, I can't. And why is that? Because if I plug in the -1, I'm just working on the denominator right now. I get -1 squared, 1, times 2, 2. 5 times -1, -5 plus 3, that's 0. So I would get 0 in the denominator. So I can't plug in the -1 right now. But what can I do? I can actually factor the x squared plus x as well as the 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. And then we're going to hope that we can actually cancel some things out. So x squared plus x. The greatest common factor here is x, so I can factor it out. X squared divided by x is x. X divided by x is 1. So just get x times x plus 1. Now, for this trinomial, 2x squared plus 5x plus 3, I have no greatest common factor other than 1. So in factoring out the 1 won't help me. So I need to factor this trinomial. And how can I do that? Well, this goes back to Algebra 2 or whatever course you took, that or Algebra Algebra 1. I guess. What am I going to do here? If you can't remember, you can refresh at our website. I'm going to be looking for two numbers that multiply to whatever these two multiply to. 2 times 3 is 6. And those two numbers need to add up to 5 in the middle term. And such numbers would be just 2 and 3, right? Because 2 times 3 is 5, and 2 times 3 is 6. And I'm just splitting up the 5x. And I can split it into 2x plus 3x. And then this comes down as well, and so does the 3. Then I'm going to factor by grouping. How does that work? What is the greatest common factor here? It's 2x, right? Then 2x squared divided by 2x is x. 2x divided by 2x is 1. Look at that. Now, between 3x and 3, the greatest common factor will be 3. I can factor it, factor it out. 3x divided by 3 is x. 3 divided by 3 is 1. What a coincidence. We got the same here, x plus 1 and x plus 1, and we did need to have the same thing here. So if we didn't, that would have been a problem, but we do, so that's great. So what is this going to become? Just 2x plus 3 times x plus 1, but written only once in this case. Great, so that goes right here. So that's 2x plus 3 times x plus 1. Okay? Now we can cancel these out. Look at that. And now I can actually plug in the -1 for x. Because the x plus 1 as a factor is gone. So let me plug in the -1, so I get up top -1 over, then 2 times -1 plus 3. So I get -1 over 2 times -1, -2 plus 3, -2 plus 3, 1. Up top -1. And -1 divided by 1, just -1. Look at that. That's it. Now, I always recommend that you try out a few more questions, and good luck.